Hi all! Hi! Hi! Hello! Hi all! My name is Jane. I am an architect, spatial and event designer, founder of the travel brand, and above all, a girl head over heels in love with London. And this video marks the beginning of Christmas in London video series. The first one called Decorating Your London Flat. So let's get ready for some holiday cheer.
Oh yeah.
I will share some of my favorite do-it-yourself decorating tips and take you holiday shopping in London. We will make some Grinch cookies and mulled wine, get inspired and get making. First, the Christmas tree. Nothing can really happen before you get one, right? Since we live in quite a small flat with a non-existing storage space, getting a fake tree is really not an option for us. So, we drove to the nearest B&Q to get a real one, with some holiday drinks to go, of course. Now, I know there are plenty of really atmospheric Christmas tree farms around London, and if you have more time than us, I'd encourage making a day out of it. Driving to one of those farms, stopping at nice manor houses, stopping for coffee, and for a walk in natural parks. This year, however, we went for a quick and easy option. Next step, putting on some lights. I just put LED curtain lights on Amazon and found the options that fit me. So we ordered a few from the windows and also string lights to put on the walls and around the Christmas tree. Order what fits you, but whatever you do, please make it a yellow or a white light. Let's keep it traditional and looking nice on all your holiday pictures.
It's magical.
Step number 3, let's go holiday shopping in London. First, we go to Fortnum & Mason, a Christmas paradise. I get a Christmas ornament a year from them, it's a small tradition. Then we head to Harrods and Selfridges Home Departments, Partridges, Soho Home, John Lewis, Liberty, Pantechnicon, Dalesford Organic and a few smaller shops in Notting Hill and Chelsea. We are looking for smaller details, some ornaments, maybe a plate, inspiration on setting up a table and creating some compositions around the house. Then we head to smaller markets. I absolutely love getting handmade decor bits from small businesses. Look for them at pop-up Sunday markets around boroughs. And last but not least, TK Maxx, Tiger, B&Q, H&M Home for candles, vases, pillowcases, stockings, some minimalistic tree ornaments and bits for the table. I also could not resist getting some eucalyptus and leftover branches from the flower shop in Notting Hill. Now, let's get making. To set up the mood, we will be making mulled wine and Grinch cookies. And the recipe for the cookies I took from this book. It's called Advent and we got it from a gift shop in Polesden Lazy on the road trip that we took during autumn. You can check it out in the previous video. It has so many festive recipes, both for food and crafts. Starting with mulled wine, which requires boiling red wine, oranges and a lot of spices. And then proceeding to the Grinch cookies, which requires us to mix eggs, flour, soda, butter, and adding some spices as well, chocolate chips, and some matcha for that deep green color. So have some wine cookies, put the leftovers in a jar and let's make that table composition.
I don't mean magic, I mean magic.
Next on our decorating list is wreath making. Now, this year I couldn't find the real life one that fit my budget, that I like the location of, or the atmosphere, that was good for me time-wise, and etc. So what I decided to do is order a kit and do it myself at home, on my own pace, in my own space. Let's unpack Botanique, a classic wreath making workshop kit. We have like a manual, we have the base for the wreath itself, I have something to decorate on top, and then I have this, which is slightly wet actually. Hope it hasn't gone bad. I have a cutting knife. Yeah, it's quite a good set. And then at the bottom of it, we get this little cute card. And let's begin. This is a base, and I'm drying some more oranges just in case to put next to it or on it. So all the add-on elements and all the beautiful fabrics to tie everything together. Let's begin. Start by taking the base and adding bits of moss around the copper frame. The next step is to cut a lot of short sprigs from all the branches that we have. Now we mix and match all sorts of different plants and berries that we have into the posies, which is a sort of a bunch of sprigs held together. We then take a reel of wire and attach those to our base. Let's make some more decor bits. From the oranges, I just slice them around 3 millimeters wide and put into the oven for 4 to 5 hours on 80 degrees Celsius. Day 2 of wreath making. And you can see I've already done half of it just by placing each new posy 45 degrees below the previous one. And by putting the posies in this sequence, eventually the whole wreath got full.
Yes! 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 Yes!
With all the main bits bought, made, assembled and cooked, all that is left is to put on your favorite festive movie on a projector, to switch on some Christmas music and start the fun bit.
Now it feels like Christmas.
And here you have it. Some easy tips and tricks to decorate your London flat without spending too much money and with having too much fun. I really hope that you enjoyed this festive video, and if you really have, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for Christmas in London to-do list and a festive countryside road trip. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon!